Hello everyone! Today I make a delicious tanigi fish. It's like in a natural sauce. And so yummy and delicious and can make you satisfied your tummy. First, let's boil the carrots, chayote, and also the potato. Then the rest of the ingredients is this. Then let's marinate the fish, and after that let's fry it. Then while frying, let's blend the ingredients, um, the onion, garlic, tomato, and the red bell pepper. And then let's blend it properly until it will be smooth. Now the fish is ready and is already cooked. But I'm sorry because I didn't put flour. That's why it turns into pieces. Now in the same pan, let's put the blended ingredients, and then let's add salt to taste. And then let's stir it until it turns red and also like already cooked. And after that, when let's add the ingredients that is already soft because I already boiled that one, the carrots, potato, and then the chayote. And then after that, let's cover it. Then let's add the fish. I use the tanigi fish. Tanigi fish, it tastes good, that one. But it's already no bones, no peel, or I mean no skin. Then let's cover it with for 2 minutes, and then let us add the rest of the ingredients. The turmeric, fresh turmeric, that one. That is good for the digestion. And then let's add the Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage is good for our health because it stands like a sweeper. And let's add the battle and the bitter gourd to normalize the taste, and also that one is good for our health, especially those people with diabetes. Now here comes our combo meals. It tastes good, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.